So I recorded this video to explain what do I expect from today's class. Basically, I invite you to go to our shared Google Drive, and I had no time to change everything. Check if you need something here from our Google Drive. I will remove all the previous classes and everything to make it easier to navigate for you. So I will put only the things that we will need for the current class, and all the other things will be removed to maintain it easier to navigate. So here, directly on our Google Drive, we have a presentation for today's class. Let's open it, and we will have this description. So for class 9, I want to discuss or ask you to read what is a ChatGPT prompt. There is a presentation on our Google Drive, I will show you. And the videos on assignment review. I recorded videos explaining each problem and how it can be solved. So I will give a little bit more details on this as well. I will show exactly what I want you to do today. And for the afternoon, for the class 10, we will do a function review. I prepared other videos for you. I recorded them by myself. And all the videos you will be able to find on this link. So I transformed a YouTube video playlist into a tiny URL.com, learn Python with ChatGPT. So you can copy paste or you can type it yourself. So with tiny URL, it becomes easier to type YouTube links. So this is the plan for today, and I will talk a little bit about ChatGPT prompt book. So as I mentioned before, the main skill probably, or the most important skill for the programmers, and not only for the programmers, but to take the more advantages from ChatGPT, is to understand how do you need to ask questions. So I found this on the website, and it explains here it's more generic information, but what I invite you to look through the examples of prompts, so you can see how do you need to ask your questions, why do you need to ask them this way. So you will find some examples, look through them to inspire yourself. I will give you some examples through my videos as well. So, but in these presentations, they are more organized. Just as example, I will show you what is the list. So basically, here is the list that I prepared for you. Most of them are about each task in our assignment. So I invite you to start with on this order. So because they are logically organized, coming from more simple to more advanced in terms of properties, or in terms of explanation. Sometimes I'm referring on something that I explained in the previous video. So please go in this sequence that you can find on my playlist. Perfect. And why and what I expect from you. So while you will be watching each video, I will ask you to open your own notebook with the solutions that of the first assignment. So I have an example. It was a notebook that I created as an example of possible solutions. But what you will do, you will change the naming. So as you remember, you will give your number. Sorry, Julia. After that, you will write auto evaluation 01. So first of all, you will rename your notebook. After this, you will come here. You will select the cell. You will add a new one. By default, when you add a new cell, it is added as a code cell. I want you to change it to Markdown. And now, I want you to add something. What I learned. And then enter. And then you will add things that you will learn from each video. So before each task, you will add what I learned. add comments or the importance to add comments, and then you will run. When you run this, you will have this explanation. So why I'm asking you to do this? Please compare the solution that I will explain in the video with your solution. And try to summarize or define what could be done different, better. Maybe you are okay, maybe you are not okay. You can write your ideas. So the idea here is to compare your solution with the solution proposed. I do not say that the one that is explained in the video is the only one, is the best, or anything else. Just compare. I already said this, but in the programming, we need to be flexible. And there are different approaches. Some are better, others not that good. But looking at other options, we can learn something, we can improve something. So take a look and compare your solution with other solutions. This is the one that I will explain you. Maybe it will be almost the same. Basically, the idea is to go through all the assignments and to see if there were some gaps in the knowledge, if you missed something. And this will help me on the evaluation as well. So basically, when you will finish watching all the videos for each task in the assignment, and you will add your comments, it will be saved. And I will ask you to send these notebooks to me at the end of the class number 9, before going to the lunch break. So this is about the class number 9. For the class number 10, you will click on the Jupyter, and you will create a new notebook. How do we create a new notebook? You will go New, Python 3, and you have your new notebook. Once again, you will put your name and a number, and then function review, rename. And then you will go through the list of videos about functions. It's the same playlist. So here at the very beginning, you have the explanation about all the assignment tasks. And then you will have videos talking about functions, giving you assignment as well, or giving you ideas, theory about functions. So please go through the videos and bring the main ideas. Basically, all these notebooks, I want you to have them organized by your preferences, to make it easy to you to find the main concepts. So you will work through the concepts, and you will organize the way that later will help you to find the important information very fast. So basically, that's it for today, and thank you.